Exercise 1. Listen to a teacher talking to her students about Robert Louis Stevenson and answer the questions.
This week we're studying the Scottish writer Robert Louis Stevenson, in particular his poetry, not his novels. Have any of you heard about him or read any of his work?
Didn't he write Treasure Island? I tried reading it last year, but it was a bit boring, so I decided to watch the film instead.
Did you like it?
Yes, it was really good. I love adventure films, and I enjoy reading adventure stories too. I just found Treasure Island a bit difficult.
Well, it was written a long time ago. He was born in 1850 and Treasure Island was published in 1881. And Wafa, have you read any of his books?
I don't think so. I prefer reading romantic stories and poems.
Well, Stevenson wrote poems too. In fact, he wrote all kinds of things. He began writing stories when he was a child and unwell. Unfortunately, Stevenson was often very ill, and he finished writing Treasure Island while he was ill in bed. He continued to write more books, including a collection of poems called A Child's Garden of Verses, and he also travelled a lot to get away from the cold Scottish weather.
Where did he go?
As a young man, he went to Europe, France and Switzerland mainly. In fact, his first book was about his travels in France. He and his family loved sailing. They wanted to sail from America, where they were living, to the South Pacific. The family chose to build a house in Samoa, and the Stevenson family lived there until he died in 1894. Now, for this week's lesson, I want you to choose a story or poem by Stevenson and bring it to class to discuss. Then I want you to